Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today I will discuss how to calculate stoichiometric air fuel ratio. So for this we will consider a hydrocarbon which is methane. So for this methane stoichiometric relation is as follows: CH4 plus O into O2 plus 3.76 N2 is equal to CO2 plus 2H2 plus 7.52 N2. So we have balanced this equation. So here number of moles of air will be equal to 3.76 plus 1, which is 4.76 into 2. So this is the number of moles of air, which is equal to 9.52. So number of mole of fuels, which is equal to 1. Okay. So stoichiometric air fuel ratio, which is equal to mass of air upon mass of fuel, is stoichiometric. So mass of air will be equal to number of air into molecular weight of air upon mass of fuel, which is equal to number of mole of fuel into molecular weight of fuel. So number of mole of air will be equal to 9.52. So this is written here, and number of mole of fuel is 1, which is written here, and molecular weight of air, which is equal to 28.85, and molecular weight of fuel is CH4. So molecular weight of fuel will be equal to 16, because the atomic mass of carbon is 12, and it is for hydrogen. So 12 plus 4, 16. So stoichiometric air fuel ratio will be equal to 17.165. so this is the stoichiometric air fuel ratio for methane. Now for the calculation of equivalent ratio, we need to calculate actual air fuel ratio. So if we consider the pressure is equal to 20 bar and volume of the combustion chamber is 1.5 centimeter cube, and temperature is equal to 515 Kelvin. Okay. So and we are having mass of fuel is equal to mass of fuel which is flowing, which is equal to 0.1245 gram. So here we need to calculate the mass of air. For mass of air, we will write ideal gas equation, which is equal to PV is equal to mRT. So we are treating here air as a ideal gas. So mass of air will be equal to PV upon RT. So pressure is equal to 20 bar, and we will convert it into Pascal. So multiplying by 10 to the power 5 into volume of combustion chamber, which is 991.5, and it is in centimeter cube. So we will convert it into meter cube. So 10 raised to power minus 6 upon R is the gas constant, which is 0.289 for air into 1000. Okay, convert it into 1000, and temperature is 515. So after calculating this term, so mass of air, this is the mass of air, will be equal to 13.323 gram. So it will be in gram. So now mass ratio of air to the ratio of mass of fuel. So this will be equal to mass of air is 13.323 and mass of fuel, which is equal to 0.1245. So finally it is equal to 107.212. So this is the actual air fuel ratio. This is the actual. Okay, this is the actual air fuel ratio. In previous page we have calculated stoichiometric air fuel ratio. So now here we have calculated actual air fuel ratio. So we are having both the values, actual mass flow, actual air flow and stoichiometric air fuel ratio. So equivalence ratio of this air fuel mixture will be equal to air fuel stoichiometric upon air fuel actual. So in actual air fuel stoichiometric we have already calculated, and it is equal to 17.165. so it is 17.165 upon actual air fuel ratio is 107.012. so it is equal to 0.16, which is lesser than 1. So this air fuel mixture is a lean mixture, because equivalence ratio is coming lesser than the 1. So it means the quantity of oxidizer is greater than the stoichiometric quantity of oxidizer.